now because now don't fool on self. Germany people they do that thing well. In fact, they worship Mama Adesagbon like God. If you fit come their party, they worship her like God. But when we can't go a party yesterday now, our market. When we can't go a party yesterday now, our market. That's so Jama people they worship Mama Adesagbon like saying na God. If they invite her for a party, if they invite her for their party, if he come, I feel say that kind of respect they go still put for our body where we still come from Germany. People will still come from Germany. That was what I was expecting. Say that same respect then go still put for our body. Mama Adesagbon, what you do yesterday? Thank God say I not talk. I be not want talk. Oh. Now when MC Papilo come and come talk, now make me see come and come see talk. So I be not want to. I be want you let everything go. My people, make a fair talk my own. I be make a fair talk our own. Which one for inside? Make a fair talk MC Papilo. I be make a fair talk my own. Mona power tap. Mona share this video. As if Mama Adesagbon come party for Germany. Germany people, why una local like this? Una too local. They worship this woman like Black Jesus. They worship this woman like Black Jesus. Me they Germany here where they go war jealousy, jealousy. Here worship him, man. But people where they outside they worship me, and I love it. I love it that way. I love it that way. You understand me? I love it that way. You understand? They feel me? I love it that way. But una they fool on herself, una they fall on herself hand. See what happened yesterday now. Eku waga amume. I be no one talk. I y'all lose the matter, I y'all rest. You understand? But why I talk now? Because say MC Papilo come and can't do video. Now make me evil they come and can't evil talk. I be one you do my one like make I not talk. You understand so? Make I not talk. More play MC Papilo on first. More play MC Papilo on me on listen. Mama Adesagbon, that party, not be say you not try. You try well. You for try finish. At the end, gift where you buy for your Ashwebi people. Now that one that you can't take fuck up. You wait busy if you come party, amu where. You supposed to still show that love back to people because people buy your Ashwebi. To buy Ashwebi 120, it's not easy. Then you can't drive where your car maybe 120 or 200 euro, depend on the kind of car where you get where you want to drive, go that Holland that yesterday. Because from my place to Holland, we had to do that party that 2 hours, 40 minutes. Let me just say, we told up and everything, 3 hours drive. You understand? We told up because a lot of hold up day road. We can't grant us Johnny Mercy. We can't celebrate it. We can't even buy the Ashwebi. You they talk and say, person will not wear the Ashwebi club, may not call your party. That's invest many people, but they can't quiet. They don't talk. Because you forget, say you they go other people home where you know they wear the Ashwebi. I don't see you, I don't say you they buy Ashwebi or you they wear people Ashwebi, you they buy. Now what you want, make they do for you, now they do for you, Abi. They do it for you. Why you can't they stress the way you want share gift? Why you can't they stress them? You say make them buy you Ashwebi, make them wear her. Why you can't they stress us when you want give us Ashwebi? Why you stress us? How much for Ashwebi? That Ashwebi where you share junior Hollandis, if you want counter now 12 euro. Now they take the country price. Then if you want more na power, I'm gonna share this video. Then if you want buy 125 euro. 25 euro. Person will buy Ashwebi for your hand. 120. You say you get Ashwebi. You say you get Ashwebi gift. People come from different far and near. Some people stay for hotel. While some people they drive, they go back that same day. Like us now, we don't stay for hotel. We your drive come. The time hotel reach the party your start. Now we your dance. We want come out. He bring out Ashwebi say. Meanwhile, before we come up, people don't already go they meet Mama Adesagbon say, Mama, share the Ashwebi, people want come out. And people don't want come. Many people buy your Ashwebi. You say oh no, you say you don't agree make them share your Ashwebi. You don't agree make person share her. You don't agree make person share, and there should be where you don't agree make they share. Now you use gift taste of, now you use gift in short, I don't know people where they do now they there now. You don't want make them share normally for other people party. You feel bad should be you will share that with person. You understand? But you all not be like that. Everybody buy one cloth. You don't agree make they share your should be. Then you want give us gift. You call they disrespect us. Mama, this but the way people they respect you, respect person back. Respect is a give and take. That's all life be. No matter the money where you get, or no matter the money where anybody get, that for your pocket too. You not get who you they use and faith. Respect is a give and take. As an elderly woman, they will respect you as an elderly woman. You where you still no say you be elderly woman, you go still respect yourself so that children go still respect you. That's all life just be. Because I not just understand what he just played that yesterday. You be one person when I they respect. If not, I for not they put mama this agbo. Yeah, I go anyway, but I they respect you. But what did you do that yesterday? Not try him again. Not try him again. Not try him again. You hear mama this agbo. Not try him again. Not good. You want respect. You respect people. Respect is a give and take. You don't disrespect people. Something we call the drag. You understand? Something we call the drag, my people. You say what they throw away this thing. Normally, as he bring that present come outside. As he don't bring that present come outside. Take everybody go, they go. You go look your face. I say, Mama, give me one drive. Come, they go back to Germany today. We don't want to stay. They almost break my hand though. Because of Ashwebi. But now you talk, so you don't want me anybody share your Ashwebi. You don't want me anybody call your party without they know where that Ashwebi. And people respected you. People will be say, it be not they collect full Ashwebi, they collect her. Just to take respect you. Just to take respect you. Then one go, you begin to... You need to see the way people come, they complain, they talk, say, Esther talkshow, you don't see what see mama just do, what it be I should be, why can't they behave like that? You way you be, say you call people answer, you they go people, you they try, but they respect you. They respect you, you go still respect people back, because this life, respect is a give and take. Meanwhile, MC Papilo, me I not get anything to talk about MC Papilo. Una go hear that from MC Papilo mouth. Okay, make I on my speaker. Now they hear me so. Because I be told say I'll just overlook this matter, no talk put. But when many of my fans reach out to me, say, me no even talk about what happen, what mama do, the way they share the ashrebi, the way they disrespect people who come from far and near. They know they don't have to around. If she come party, then they give her everything where she wants. People, they respect her. She's supposed to respect people also back. She say, me anybody not enter that party without her ashwebi. She said, me nobody share her ashwebi. Then the encourage the time we want to give gift to people way buy ashwebi because they disrespect them like that. I say, Mona leave her. Now wait till I talk. I say, Mona leave her. But when I come see the video where MC Papilo do, now come say, wait till be €100. Wait till be €100. Mama I beg. You be person where that they respect. You understand? Hello? Hello? That one don't know where it enter. Somebody they talk say wait it can happen now. Come up, make I come. Make you come. Come up. So you know the year wait I they talk. So make I go back again. Give me a gift. If you want make I go back from the beginning. Give me gift. If you're not there yet, since wait I they talk, say everything was okay with the party apart from apart from the gift. Everything was okay. The way content they do with the gift, people stand, give them, make them come out. People come from far and near. Time don't go. Even the hall, they don't close, they don't stop the music. Say party because they get the time where the party till they finish. If you all the Hollandis, not be Hollandis or not junior Hollandis. Junior, like I target, but people want her. Now, know why people want that gift, because of the way she take command people say no sharing of ashwebi. If you not buy ashwebi cloth, not come. You understand? So people really do it as she want. She's supposed to respect people and give them gifts. Not be the way be say he content they share the gift yesterday. People was angry, complaining, say, why mama can't they do like this now? Make it give everybody one, make everybody they go now. Because normally, you know how many ashwebi is shared. Now that number they buy. Then you go share them for people. Everybody did that yesterday. Nobody go even take more than one. Nobody. I don't know whether some people they do. That one is not for me. Now one I go. For many people also. But the way she content me, I can't tell you. I say, where did this woman come they do? Why you not give person? Say, okay, make person help you. Sister, you they do party. I don't know whether you now understand me. So make I play MC Papilo. Because I don't really get too much when I want to, because that person when I like. Now I make me not just get, but mama next I not try again, because they worship you, that they respect you, especially Germany particularly for don't see you. And not the way that you do it back. Respect is a give and take. You understand me? Because me now, and you see me as I did here, so I go respect you as my elderly woman, adult woman. You have to also respect me back. If you not respect me, I say you get why you take there. I just they put you where you belong. So now so me be. Because me as I be respect people well. I sabi respect people well. But if you want to change that for me, I will change that for your hand. I'll ask you one question. Even if you get anything where you get, or you be anything where you be, you understand? You be anything where you be. Now let one gift to. I want me. I take boom or bob by. I buy ashwebi 120. Now let one gift to. We drive go Orlando. We spray. We do everything. Just one gift, so not working a problem. And everybody was interested in that gift. Nobody want come on say, because the way she talk say, my party, either you wear ashwebi or you not wear. No, if you buy my ashwebi, come my party. If you not buy my ashwebi, not come my party. Now so it do, and now so people really do. Everybody for that party, it was colorful, it was beautiful. You understand me? So it was beautiful. People even complain to me, say, Esther talkshow, when I talk about this mama, this, but if they go people party too, where not they wear, where not see they wear their ashwebi, you're not supposed to talk, say, may person where not wear ashwebi making not. Now say that one not concern me. It not concern me. Go tell her, call her for phone, you tell her. That one not concern me. You understand? So now what it concern me now they talk. So mama, I beg next time not try am again. Not do like that again, mama, because respect is a give and take. Respect is a give and take. If they feel me so, mama, everybody was complaining. Both people will come for Denmark, Germany, Italy, different, all of the Yokon they talk. Now I say, hey, so these people will not they do live video. They even talk past people more than per WhatsApp. They even talk about people where they do live video. They don't come they talk say, now not see the way mama take share the. Now say me myself, it's where they go party. I never see that kind of thing before for my life. Yeah? Don't be ashamed people you buy them for. Give them that they go. People want go. People will come from far and near. Give them that they go. You all out for hand like that. Mama, you give us where could they go? Whether you know one more go the party, the whole self, they don't close. The all people, they don't off the music. They say, may we all come out. Say, party don't finish. Now, so we can't sit down and carry the club. People back for day. Give me, make I they go. He not going give me. My husband, they tell me, say, may you come out, they go. Wait, it come be. Now I say, no, I go take him because he said, no sharing of ashwebi. No, say, I will take respect. He need to respect us and give us our team out, they go. You understand me? Hello? Judiously, wait. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon. Power tap and share this video. You want to contribute?
No problem. No, thanks. I came across the live, so I decided to join.
Okay. So, okay.
Yes, ma'am. I don't even know the topic of the group for now.
No, I'm just talking about, well, you don't understand it. Don't worry. You don't understand. Let me drop you. So, make I play. Now, I know why I do this video. Now, MC Papilo video. When I see, now maybe they do this video. Now MC Papilo. video when I see. That made me they do this video. And he still use the same thing to reach MC Papilo body. You understand? Hello, be this one. Hello? Who be this? He still use the same thing to reach MC Papilo body. It's not good now. You don't carry person, make he can't do MC for you. He pay balance. He can't remember balance. That is, he pay half, he can't remember balance. Party don't finish. What do they call him? DJ don't off music. Say me everybody come out. That is why we was even asking, requesting for our gift. Me we go back. This woman Joel and everybody we are should be oh. Everybody we are should be. Mama, don't they look down on people like that oh. Mama, na because say na you, if na another person. When you are more good baby, man. Now because say now you mama respect people the way they respect you. Be you elderly person, be you small, respect people back. Party don't finish, they don't have music. What do you call the whole should be? Give them that they go as you not give them. He? Did he cut a or say which kind wahala be this? Which kind wahala be this? Ah. Everything about the party was okay. Oh, everything was okay. We all enjoy ourselves. We dance. Everything was. Now just that place. If you don't want me, we come out. You don't want me, we come out. But music party don't finish. Hey, you give them. Everybody go there. We not be saying you can't stress, especially we where we come from far. Now that one let me not understand though. Because they say I will get soon na. Me make balloon out there. Mama beg. I know say you they conjure me. People they respect you well. That they worship you. You buy ashwebi oh, you don't buy ashwebi. You they go party, people come out for you. You understand me? So I don't really get much to say. You understand me? So now let me just talk. This one when I talk. So mama beg next time do better. Yeah. Because you, if now you be angry at what you did to all of us, not be let me one. If now you would be very angry, but next time do it better, or you give another person. Then later, he said, "Me will come stand for." He said, "Me will come stand for Q." He said, "Wamudayela." Many people vex come out do. Why many people stay? Me, I say I want stay. I must collect them because he said no schedule of ashwebi. That's it. They talk. Why not take her? Why not collect her? 120 for clothes. 120 before you come back for a goal and 3 hours. You understand me? So let me stay. I collect my own. No, they almost break my hand, but me I collect my own because you say no sharing of ashwebi. Make people wait don't hear you ashwebi, make they don't come. And many people wanted to come because you they go people oh, but they don't come. You understand me? So mama I beg. Mona listen to MC Papilo. Mona not talk say that me talk and make we fair listen. You understand? So more listening. Somebody write and say 120. 120 not big. Write make I see whether you say it not big. Make I for block you. No more good boy. Block you. 120 not big. Write make I see your write up. Write make I see your write up. Make I for block you. He big, okay. He big, oh, not be Germany, now Orlando. We buy for everything. My lady is big, oh. Yeah, she need to respect us because we dey respect her well. We dey respect her. Even me myself, I dey respect Mama Adesagbo. Now I make her because of her. If na another person don't want good, what good say, man? You not go respect me. Give me my gift, make her they go house. We don't tire. We una go say try yesterday. I not do live video. I not do yesterday, day before yesterday, because I was tired in another country, you understand? The driving and everything. You understand me? So, if you know, say you want to invite international person, call your party. Now money, now time, everything. It's exhausting. You have to respect them. If not, don't try it. Now, because I say now my mama, if not another person, yeah, so I'm more good, because some people, if you don't swear good for them, they not go respect themselves. If they say now another person, but they respect mama, where? Now my mama be this. That is why you tell her, say, mama, next time do more better. Because you, what you not go to, not give another person. Because me, I know you now. You now no nonsense person. Now some still be, I be no nonsense person. Because before I was too calm before, but now not they calm again. I know they come for anybody again. You do me, I do you. You respect me, I respect you. You don't respect me, I don't respect you. And so this life just be nobody they feed, nobody they pay my bills. Apart from those my lovers, those my good people, those people will love me genuinely. Apart from the way they'll still see me, they'll still give me some money. All of them will give me present for there yesterday, and God go bless you now. When you go your boss about the Esther talkshow fans worldwide, thank you all so much. I really miss a lot of my fans for that. I enjoyed that party. Reached the end of the party. It was just fun. It was very nice. Mama really tried for that party. What that means? Who not bought the clothes not figure? Yes, so if you not bought the clothes, you not go figure. But the mama tribe, the party, and one of the biggest this year when I don't go. This year when I don't go. I not cut last year joiner, but for this year, that party was well organized. Everything and people really turn up for her. That party was you understand? She really tried. She really tried. And just that end part. Now I make I can't tell her. So Rose, this agbon no. You understand? Now the last what is this one they write? So Rose at this agbon no treat to now. Yes, now let me call the turn at the last part when now they talk. So there should be part. I'm not gonna lie. Now I just can't talk because the way that they respect Mama this agbon for Germany, that they carry out like their black Jesus. They carry out like their black Jesus. If you don't come their party, you understand. That was the treatment I was expecting back. Meanwhile, she tried though. Everybody, we all eat and drink. Everything was wow. I will not lie. You understand me? Mama, you are our mama for life. I beg. Our respect when we respect him, because me, if you see my face, standing telling you, wait, Mama, give me my gift, we want come out, they drive, go back to Germany. Because we not sleep, we not rent hotel. As the party just finish, we want go back. Ask my face, Mama, this my face, eh? Mama, I be celebrate you, either you like it or you leave it to Mama. I beg now because say now you. You see my face, I say, Mama, give me make I go now. If they carry a face go like this, I say, Mama, now you. Next time, now yes, that they can't give me my gift. Now because say now you. Hello, Rose. Now because say now you, Mama. You understand now you make I live on like that. So more listening to MC Papilo message. Now even this MC Papilo message that make me come do this video. You understand? More listen to MC Papilo. More listen to the video we do for her. Mama, I beg next time. Because respect is a give and take. You know our mama now. You know. To say not be say you know our mama. You know now. Mama, if you see my face, see big mummies. Mummies where they there. The big people, everybody stand. Have all this big iye, all this mama. Then they just give the all of them we are should be. You know, agreement they share them. You know, agreement they share their should be. You know, green. You're supposed to look at that people. Give their should be that they go. You gonna be like shy play. Mama, not do it next time. Me, I don't go party where be say the share should be way big past that yo. Share better. They don't use it and stress anybody. Not be say I say you don't try, but I just let you know. Next time, Mama, I beg. Because you say me they don't share your Ashobi. They respected you, they don't share her. They all came, they all sprayed, they all you yourself, you try for the party. You will still respect the park. See women, mothers, all of them stand. Yeah, you're not muzia. You buy her to share that for us now. Next time, not do it like that again because many people they bear waiting past that you are Ashobi. They'll still respect people. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Now that one that you supposed to don't be say you come the stress off. And we don't drive how many hours. We are still driving back. Mama, no, not do it. Because they're not doing it to you. They made me to tell you so. You, I don't know whether you want more vest liver. But we not vest liver. We collect her. We collect her. Why we not go collect her? Not be where you buy her for. Hello, be this. Oh, be this. You don't even know whether you enter. Now, TikTok, they bring them. Hello? Happy. Happy. You understand? People, they do party. You go share, should be better gift. They don't use and stress people. Mama, beg next time. Why she not pay MC? I don't know why. Wait till be €100 where mama not see pay MC. Now I bring all this talk console. I don't know wait till be €100 where mama not see pay MC. When the MC need try, say MC no gonna let you let it. MC ya unyo MC papile gbe ya unyo. €100 na be see a talore. Mama beg you na big mama and mama beg next time. That your party too carry to come the we will call the year. Or let's say you just want to may you use and may take trend. That your party too big. We be say all this kind of talk will call they come out. That party too carry weight at the end of it. That party too big, it too carry weight. Hello, now what contribute? Hello? Who be that? Who be that?
So,
my sister, you want to contribute? If you don't want to contribute, don't climb up, I beg. Now this thing, Junior Hollandis, that one that they said €12 country price. Then if you want buy, if you want sell at 20, people when they sell at €20 or €18. Then they say they sell another Hollandis, Junior Hollandis. So Junior one, you go see all those iye, more na power tap, na more na share. All of us stand. Now so she don't carry it. I don't know what she did. I don't know what people was tired because many people come from different places. You know, that's all of them come they complain. Say, why this woman they do like this? Papa Clipper, I will unbox it. Don't open it now. I want to unbox it. I want to use it to do video. No, not now. We'll do it short video and post it. You understand? So that party, everything was okay. There was enough to drink and eat. But at the end of the day, women just sweet baby, my love. I is the family. You understand? Big women, everybody just stand. Huh? And they come make I. Everybody, your mona give me power tap.
Forget it.
Everybody just stand. All those elderly women did this Europe, elderly women did this Europe where all of them they all came out for her. Now not say mama this na see elderly woman. You know a lot of all these women stand. They wear your ashwebi. Young packet go to Euro. All of us now God now we wear for that party. Big women they did it. Give them gift more they go not great give us. They want break person here because of mama not do that thing next time. Man. Your level to pass that kind of thing when you do that yesterday. Not now only one cloth then you want give people. I don't go party where be say they share kettle, they share work microwave, they share many things. They pack out two or three give people. They don't stress person. Mama not do I again. Not do I again because the stress was too much. We don't already stress. When we take drive come, once it go back, we not ready to tell. Once it go back, mama give us we they go one drive go back. Move for quick recharge. It just all down for hand. People come tire. Say, which kind thing be this one? We got any map? DJ door of music. The owner of the hall does we dance, we tire. More na power tap. No, not the power tap. Abolo fofo. As we all they do gossip together. More na the power tap. You like gossip, me I like gossip. More na power tap. To all my mommies will give me gifts. Will pray for me for that party that God will bless you. Now my fans will did there. One thing where I can't notice, the people who don't like me for social media, they don't get money. They be poor people, rubbish, aduro people. Big women will get money for this abroad. They love me. See the way that they embrace me. Esther talkshow, they gift me. One of my love and God will bless you. I love you, my sister. Cisco. Mommy Cisco, I love you. I ask you. She gave me €50 note. That God will bless you. He said, everybody must not like you. But a big women. I mane ne ko word salt. Abije no ya waha. Abije ne gbe oho yan wa love me wa be love wa. O salobo yan bless you wa ya.
Esther, welcome.
I hear my sister. God go bless
You know
all of
what
them.
happened for the party? She not bear many gifts. And she's supposed to bear many gifts. We go be say go share for you actually, and everybody go be equal. As far as one bear be.
Yeah.
Wait till this be go get, then the other person go get. No one go do pasha.
Yes.
For you to go bear that junior Olandis. If na bucket, it go for your bear me reach everybody. And because me I see and say that Olandis so that junior Olandis. You not go reach everybody. You want select people who be say
He won't give.
To come give. And he go for see best now, so go for see bear another gift to be say go reach and everybody hands. If you be saying you want to do one like that,
Yeah.
and that one go for better pass. Why you go come person party, you wear should be the other person wear. You can't select you one give. It not make sense now.
Did you tell me for how?
If na what is that they call her? If na oven in one bear or microwave or they say small gift for they say 20 euro.
Abi.
Share for all of you now.
Abi.
Now let that one you can spoil the party now. The party makes sense. I see the video.
She too try.
The color one now we are seeing.
She too try. Everything was on point. There was enough to eat and drink.
Everything they.
As she talked, say na billionaire, na really billionaire women. Billionaire women all over the universe. All of the come.
The party now.
Now women have many pass. Women. All those big women where they are abroad. Me we are man. Esther talkshow. Esther talk. Me we are my sister.
For Facebook now.
Me I tell you.
For social media.
Me I don't know say they know me oh. Me they look myself. I don't know. That's so that they give me gift oh.
My auntie said she did the party safe yesterday.
Now so that they give me gift oh. Now so they come they give me gift to Esther talkshow be your fan so. I they follow you. Not only I do people now don't like me oh. I you know why they way but even me rock but they don't like me. Now that yesterday.
I don't will not get paper. You see any of them?
No, I don't see any Aduro will not get paper for them.
Now mama go they do party
now. Mama try for that party where. That party as she your talk and that one they call or talking na do. Now she take talking, now she take doing. She really try. She try yo.
Una call for the party, the color where you see for the ashes.
Now just go throughout, you know, gold and white. The men wear white. Now just that party, yeah.
Even addressing was giving what supposed to give us a Madam Gold.
Oh my God.
Try. I like all our style with just so.
Everything about that party was in short, she said me they go party for this abroad. Now that and the color way there for the whiteness is very good. It can become sharp.
Just follow una color the shirt una.
Yeah.
One party na one itao. Everybody will not play that party. No say they jealous.
Oh, that party try
The party to make sense. The woman try. Not just this gift. Go for it. If na me, people don't attend 10 euro gift. It go your buy ya.
Make for reach everybody in hand.
It go your reach everybody and no passion. Everything go your make sense.
And you make sense a gift to go. Yeah, we want to come on. My husband say make I leave and go back for me. Now I say no, I must collect some. Because she said she not the share as should be because me I the like to the share as should be. I the share. As it be 120, I go pay 60 euro. Me a person go share her. Now so I tell the bell. Me if you yak be because many I should be when I get for his house now. I will say that so fufu I should be at the car. I know the way they give full year more than 20 I should be. If you don't so and once, you not go feel. If you don't wear that one, you not feel wear that again.
Let make native they tire me. If you don't wear that one, the thing go your die.
You not go enter your body again.
And the I should be na lace.
Now yes so. And the also now we will get body now they not go enter you again.
I see your now supposed say yourself is so.
You not go enter your body again. So now cause away be say me I dey talk now say people will not like me for social media now. Thank you my love. Now Duro people you not make am. Because me, I make her for abroad, all my fans, all my lovers, they make her. Because now they will not make her like the jealous who will try. If you make her, you not go jealous who will try. Because some people, you see, you're the hate on you for nothing. You not be saying you do anything. Oh. Me, I like better thing. That make me like Mama Adesakmo. I love her well. You understand? So if you like better thing, you not go hate on me. Me and you not get problem. So if you like good thing, I they tell you if you want make you rich. They love people way good. They appreciate people way don't make her. So that you go still reach your turn. But if you continue to divest for another person program, you know make her more. I they tell you the truth. You know make her. I'm telling you.
Don't be lying.
You know make her.
They make her not the buy Ashobi. Ashobi, anybody who buy your Ashobi, you need to give her a gift where you deserve her.
You
Because
see?
not be everybody buy your Ashobi. And if you see the Ashobi, if you don't wear that for that party, don't finish.
You don't finish.
When me get for Israel, see, at times, they will pack and they go Nigeria.
I get many for his ass now. Where I don't wear.
Don't be like saying that dirty.
Esther, come on me. Come on me. Patini your work, be mama. Every no guy, mommy, I do not like this. A party funny because it was enough to drink and eat. The party was beautiful. Mama, I would not lie.
Yeah.
Mahia ba no nya ho ya do dem music yone. We more than my pa no guy I should be present in. Ona work back in it. Be ya table mo boy. Even they got jaggy way. People don't care far, eh? And yeah, we want to go. Give us. Ona work back in it. Be anekere. Ema yaga mo if we so mo pa se so that we ya must to collect. Iya feel ah. Now don't go women and men I come that party oh. Now don't go women and men I come that party they spray oh. Why they talk like that?
Because egbe mi ve ni ana. Eda wow, you go no ya. You go no. Mommy, all the good present here. A gift or die or soon.
Yeah, make you go ya wa one me go mama.
Yeah, I'm going to be a man up there. Go to Nani Yamu, but I cost of your enemy.
Mama, what's the manare?
A set in Roma. Obeko style.
Mama, what's the manare?
Wow, very important.
Okay.
Okay, but why important? Kakabo. Yeah, your Holland maybe next week. Yeah, you mean it?
But mama will pass no. Mama will pass no. Don't get you go na finish. Don't man will pass.
Mama, you finish. Miko.
You finish. You finish. On my one guy. Why we do the present? Mama no ready.
Oh, that when no cool. No only Costa. Manika kabawa eno. Not the man in I can't on the platform of pap. Me and we are tired, no day.
Okay, you're tired already.
Well,
Okay, mama, you can't go kind. Okay, see papi look back and me na la jada safe. MC papi look.
A gift na. Iya be go kan e ma no dupo na ma ko no lawa. E ma no ma dupo. So ma dupo so ya ma ko ni lawa.
Yeah, so now we are the cabin time. What the bad one?
Iye-eki wow.
Oviere kata, omere mate me da. Okawata, over sabio gworo mani.
Platform. Elevate a platform in Ira, then I wear. Ikuna manatioma, aga beton black. Tasa.
Idio wa no.
Everybody know even in guy, everybody know women. Ne constant me telephone no buy. I'm not work on my invite. A customer say he have fefe. No my invite you.
Ero.
So me go there me boy not the very setting me jam with bena. So what we send there through my WhatsApp already. And I'm gonna send there through post.
Yeah. Wapa wata wa me dey gift me wala o.
When?
O yi tam ya ni apa wata mi ari gift me wala wo go. Today party ni me ma we live video kejara this is 2 days ina. Ina wa sacrifice. Ina wa sacrifice. Ubege eh.
No ko re o ta for me no gu. Yin ya so da for me ani o pa ahian. Or say any man show.
Bagger.
Why Godfather out that for me? Or what say man every time? I talk my amwe.
Yeah.
Not that on my bed.
Hey, yeah.
Now it's on the coast. Now we are say Holland. I say Holland a weekend, you know. It will be an envelope on it.
Yeah.
But okay, Ashebini, Esther.
Yeah.
Normal Joseph. You email talk. Because they don't say enough time. It's sure when maybe I don't get because of Kelly we go by here where Rudigo and our party.
Amigo mama, eh?
You might even hear tie. You know, so not be gifting in a bit. I don't know. I don't know.
I never seen you because I don't the only hall.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please, Afro shop. Mommy, I love you. Mama, I will gifting a shopini. You go near say ya we party. When we not just with beer. Abu work with plus and minus. When you go near move a should be forget on your see. Rudigo money not be the problem. Oh, why you stress him? Oh yeah, guy. Oh, why you stress him? There daily people. Yeah, that's why you stress him. He was not childish. Oh, he said, but when he go up, he had to move your line. Nekere. Even you want to complain. One thing I hate about some of our Edo people, they like to talk at your back. All of them were just complaining outside everywhere. We not quite rubbish in the mama wow. Well, hey, junior Oladisi, 15 euro or 25 euro or 12 euro. Yeah, that was tell me, wait 12 euro. Yeah, me now. Wait, I wait 12 euro. No, not the no bunny or wait counting price or 12 euro. I wait on that the no bunny. Because me man, you go near yakin. Understand? Unuya me na yin na wa come can you money can you carry? You know?
Me not share me my gay. So Rude 12 euro, you gonna say 15 euro. After we went back Galatory and in the Amuti Island.
And let someone go there 20,000 euro with Vani.
I want to buy 50 euro. What's the
I understand no yo yam woman. Now mama hey try eh. Emani bumo ba emani puna ye stay when you must collect or go now I will you. You know? No matter where everybody must we should be. If I be well now.
If you have my so when you have my them no so no. If I need kuni, I should be near problem here.
Problem me I tell them when now. If I should not just go to 20,000, 10,000, 50,000. Problem here, but they don't want to have it way. He must have me present. He might do understand any Chinese time, mama. That was not their problem. But when you are stressing, you got accomplish you will. Either you got gift. It cannot sell us who you or for who funny. You understand? Anyone stressing why you mother your gift, and why you mother your lie. Why I want to know? They will do. Or I hear you talk about when you feel like you are right away. Mama, when you feel like you say. Oh, when you got feel like my beautiful wifey, my husband, Tago got everybody, Tago didn't well, I do no day. Oh, but let's no day. This one is my husband's sister, Tago Lisa, who got everybody now, option door. Last send a request today. Nimu we are just doing what got everybody now. Iya te pumo bo. If we get ni me ya ta we mama muni me ma hia pa na ti ma stay ye je bi ma wa we drive we regbe. Me fi gwe lolo a record myself. E lolo na de video ji. Adina mi video ni be Facebook. Iga saga e lolo e. Ya ava hun. E saga we on the saga e wa ta wo nu keka. Wa we saga so do wa asuli se yo mani hun. Ona video be ani be de na ka me mama ma hia pa. Because of that me already tanya way. Ja pa we see me ari ede ni go do we ya ma we 20 euro ya. Ina we ma ya mi e. Because of that time we no sharing of ashrebi. I may not me like a sharing of ashrebi. Maybe talking me lay. 120 ya do e. Me wa share ashrebi na oni jobe no bo ma se ri ogbe. O jamais. Do oni aroiva. O jamais, ma jamais o. O ma jamais. Eto jani me ni me na ise ashrebi I ona jamais. Abi my sister to ogia. Ye ga jani me ba na me be say ashrebi. Ibe ta lo. No, tell me now whether I need soccer girl working social media president. All just should be me. Or marry president me, ma better law because all jamais. You understand it now? Don't jamais now. All jamais. You need president cook ba. You understand it, eh? Me fi we lolo a record me because a lolo ni ona de video jo na mo egi maniga atawe mama the gift ni mama pa okuna no wa the gift ji ona wa gba ginegbe ado Esther ni jo ni o mala me gbe wore 30 euro de gbe ya work on every one na wore ni 30 euro te lo mi me o mala me gbe e ti lo na de gbe do ran o lo de gbe 30 euro plus 120 only 150 iye 30 euro we ya mwere 2 kilo ene nu pon we 2 kilo 50 euro a kilo only 180 my sister they don't calculate 90,000 ya seven wa e go ni fio ugwe ni emwe president must to mwe amama igwe de gbe we dove no na ugwe no ga ma be no ugwe party ogeri ketu amu ogugbe ti ebe kekere ijo wa ewu ki respect e igwe de gbe invite we die me o idian we because me na ta de gbe ti ya ihia we party must respect ewu ya no re because me we joke ma do na egwu respect me egwe de gbe try egwe de gbe try because which can't it be that one na who understand the man me matter on igwete onu but me gi pego get si papilo na we ado tem nana because we e mani bulle ri mana be learn amana tabe nana anyo neve da ri yan here continue to disrespect me yan igwe mana we party ye ne ama igwe a wo we ri yo mona power ta mona share wala wo wa power ta me yan pe na why have your boy power tapping in that way? What power tap? What Maria gift him me? What they gift him me? Power tap wala wugu. Megi ge party ni no dina we so. Emani wa love him me. He give me obuse. Ave mani me be. Ave mani gbe oko. Ah, God go bless all of you now. A gift yanu wari me. So about ekpo no vo. Ekpo wa ya vo yo. The love was massive. Now really billionaires as mama talk na kon. Abi ko ni ene gbe, abi ko ni rie va evu enko. Abi ko ne gbe oko. Ya mose ya vie god ye gbe. Abi beautiful mommy. Me we ya wa me ya wa ri me ma be e party ni go. Hello, I was the party.
Not birthday, not be marriage.
Not be marriage. No, it was a birthday party. But she not mention the figure. She not. Oma make sure a figure. Oma say no years you know. Our birthday party. The party was. Mona pawata, mona share, mona give me gift. Wala. Me give you wala pawata wa be gift me wala. Power tap. Mona listen to MC Papilo. Okiye me na do ladia na me te we ni gba be see ai bi ari we.
You are watching this live video for my brother. MC Papilo international.
Mona power tap mona share wala o.
for your support.
If you don't know, one that I hear you. Here you why a gift in your ego na mievo.
Supporting
Voila.
raising me anywhere. I don't know how just that the say God. Don't be say I to sing.
The team
Don't be say I to
maladi
popular.
All that you.
They like me like this. I dey imagine am. Even yesterday, only more.
Why you?
I just dey imagine tears won't even come off from my eyes. Say God, when I started watch the video where I take go show the way people they come out to support me. Well, the reason why I come out this morning, waiting I want to talk so I want to make una talk out.
Power tap and share.
Make una not cover for me because I don't say I be public
Figure.
servant. I be public figure. And now they carry me for party and now they support me.
Power tap.
Muna no hesitate to correct me because they say no man is an island.
Yeah.
And the person with the if
Power tap,
I make mistake and you correct me, I dey accept way. And I like correction. I like correction because I not be God. I be human being like every other person. I feel make mistake too where I don't know. Oh no, I will still correct me so that I'll stay down and learn tomorrow. So that the mistake where I make today, I not will make it tomorrow.
Not be that.
So nobody's above mistake. If I still make mistake for this, to make una still correct me. No matter your age, even if I see know you or you see know me, you can correct me. You can correct me. It's not because of 8 years you correct old man of 49 or 50 or 97. You understand? So if I make mistake or if I wrong for this matter, I want to, Mona still correct me. So that tomorrow I'll take and learn. I mean, we want to take this matter to public space. The party where I go on Saturday for Den Haag, Princess Adesagon party. So when that woman contact me, she called me.
Why you go out for fake account no Google and do soon? Come on for fake account no bell or go on bijou. What bell? You know you wait it all. You say now junior or largest now can't go they fight too for party. Who fight?
Where the comment is?
You don't see who fight. Nobody fights. Nobody fights. They only tell her say what she do no good. They no fight put. If you is why you not buy me, you come go kill you from the road. This are go never where Yahweh. This are go never where Yahweh yari a moro. Wag bell. Eze yo idiot no mama. Wag bell. Ekbere na ya o waga we bona invite yin ere o. We me be party so for mejo. We were party book baby list. Yeah jo. Wag bell. You know how much I dey spend a year for party. Fear go let you try and go bijou. Wag bell. I've heard talking that people will not get anything to get money. They not like me. I will do. I will all of them love me and I love all of them. All of them did that party. They was looking beautiful, gala, but they need the present. Yeah, mood. Yeah, na waiting. Yeah, collect. Or when we yeah, be now you're going bijou. Wa ubel. Where we maladia uzuo.
Me was she first carry me for party 2011. This thing will happen to see that 2011. I will tell her the reason why it make her happen again. So she come hire me. She called me and tell me say she want to party for October 25th. So we can't agree on price. She can't even ask me say yeah, we shall we go carry and all that. I can't see the advance and how the party will go. So she can't send advance for me. So she can't remain €100 for her hand. So a week too before I come on like to tell her say, okay, give me the balance. When the balance of the way you bring her for me. She can't say
Una de yes, sir.
If I reach party, she will give me. Don't you make me ask for that balance? Because 2011, I can't do MC for her. After the party, it remained €100. She not gonna give me the balance. I draw that balance, draw. She not give me. I can't rest. Don't leave the balance. That was 2011 or 2010. Yeah, 2011. She not give me balance. A lot of people, my friends, all of them know that time. All of my friends all get together, and all of them know. As far even my sister, the chair. Almost all of them know that she not give me. I don't leave her, I forget.
Who they make noise for their bed mute? Which person be that? Who they make noise?
Because they know, she say, yeah, you know better than the way I'm moving. Don't pass, you will carry for that one. That I don't pass now. It will be if particularly you go balance. That's okay. That's why I can't already come back at 2 o'clock. I don't use that party that day. 2 o'clock. So me and the stainless queen, I know stainless queen and baddest queen. Now me and she, I know that girl, you know where I'm allowed when I mean a boy. I see that girl from distance. When I that day, now I know say Stainless Queen is an amazing person. If you go close to Stainless Queen, or Balido box, she's an amazing person. Now me and she, now they
Power tap.
Now I make sure say everybody when they that party sit that way. Imagine party where I reach 2 o'clock, everybody come with me. In fact, if Stainless Queen confused, you come with me, pa. This will wait come so where I'll put them. I'll say carry them go there. Carry this people go here. Carry all these chiefs put them here. Now me and she organize to make sure say everybody when they invite sit down comfortably. Me and Stainless, she's my witness. She go still see this video. Stainless that day, she her enemy one man. Party never for the past 10 years. No party don't stress me like that party for the past 10 years. Even at the party, when I equip the 30 say, as the party tight reach. At the party, now the party will be say, for the past like 7 years, I never go that kind of party. Party where that is, may come, people everywhere tired. Even know how, you know, for the past 5 years, I make a could go to me when I equip the Ajebo party no stress me like because Ajebo himself is already an organized person. In with his wife. When people use Ajebo party, they make parable. We say, now that kind of party this was TP. The way people take on almost the same thing. When they will get ready, the way people take really come, people really show up. People that whole fool. If you see that whole, that's the biggest for where I don't go for the past 10 years. The whole choke. So that's why I'm saying let's go organize everybody go sit down, do it comfortably. So before I come off for us, I can't call this woman. I say, Mama, if any party where I go, people always they demand for my song. Papi will play your song, Papi will play your song, Papi will play your song. All those my songs why they sing for party. I know most times I don't like to sing them. Now people they call the worry me say Papi almost to sing will be too like sing your song. Now make me sing that song. Any most party where I go. People they demand for that song. I call them and say, Mama, if get people demand for the song, I go play them more. She go say, okay, problem not the get one Mickey Gaga daughter. Now lay down one night she say she give me her name say as guest artist we go sing. Because say when you reach party, man nobody if time day I feel sing. I go say okay problem not day. So I go call DJ, tell DJ say DJ, I don't talk to the owner of the party. You say if time day, if people demand for the song, no problem say I feel singer. I still take go the party. Make sure say everybody go there that day they be my witness. They so I know the party joke. DJ on my neck that day, musician on my neck. If that is on my neck, the woman herself at the side on my neck. Hey Jimmy, that day people see her from my face. Say the stress was too much. If I'm not a professional MC, I cannot anchor. No. If I'm not a professional MC, you cannot anchor that kind of show. Never. You cannot. And I make she carry me because she believes. Say she even tell me say, Papilo, many MC day for Netherlands. But now me decide say I want to use you because I know say you be professional. You will feel anchor that show. When we do conference for me and the cameraman, Ambassador Jeff in Nahuru, he was the cameraman. He talk out even when Jeff did when he talk out. People that make me and what you as a professional. You will feel anchor that show. No show women not feel anchor. Even for Nigeria, we say 70 caropi, 80 caropi, 20 caropis. Only me one go anchor. 3 musicians. Only me one go anchor. I go still reach out. People will carry me for party.
Power tap.
They dash me money, Jonah. I never get problem with person for party one. Any party where I go, they go based on people still come, they still dash me more money. I never get problem for balance. One day since I started this for 2003, I never get problem for balance. As the party they finish, they give me a balance because I do my work well. Most people don't even give me. Most people they send my full money for me. Like I will go there on Saturday. I did them. I did inauguration. They send all my money for me. Most people they send all my money for me. Now let's see people 1 out of 10. Now they will say people who are ready the balance. If you come, I give you the balance. So to cut long story short, now so I can't anchor the show that day. So when I reach, party don't finish. People go to demand for my song. Then Coco, a lot of people, a lot of women. Papilo, when my mother can sing away, also a mark, but then before don't go. Now 50 they will make you sing your song. So now I can't call Mickey Jagger daughter. Mickey Jagger daughter can't drop her own. When Mickey Jagger drop her own finish, so I can't tell you, so okay, people they demand for my song. Go. Even the DJs are aware. So
power tap, wanna give me gift. Power tap.
People could come back, but they don't wait for the song first because people like that song. Not me do that and I go. So people could come back, they follow me dance. I don't even sing that finish. I sing that halfway, just like 3 minutes. Now I take sing that song. I don't sing that finish. You know.
Thank
so
you.
as people come embrace me,
Thank
follow me
you.
dance and everything. So when
Thank
finish,
you. Give me
don't
gift.
go meet this woman.
I be me 1 euro ni me me ever wala.
They don't ready. Give me balance. Make I come on.
Una power
She
tap for
say,
you.
and you don't get balance for you. I say no, nah. Because I don't even know what she do. 2011. Now she wants to do so. I say no. Give me, I beg, 900 euro remain. Give me my balance. You want to say like, you know, give me balance. So. I call the better. I can't send one of the PA. maybe when can I know the balance in that one talk. Anyone know 100 euro? That one talk. She don't listen. I could signal a bad spoon, stainless. Also, don't say me. Why talk stainless? Why talk? You know, say
I bet mute.
You might pass you to the what to Thomas Aka, what to say you. You are very, very amazing. You are an amazing person. So I could signal stainless. Stainless na entertainer na MC2 because kami idu no ligo me. Stainless don't take that say papilo mudia. She no even my stainless. So because me relax as maybe she dey busy. That's why I wait. One of our don't pass. This one not be give money. So after I go to say where you go where he answer the no be okay ka ike. You go Google man when the email give me back. You go contract na you for where you man no go. So just I go say that's you want me call police for you. So the way I go to the church, his son rival attack me. His son did. She carry phone. She want call police for his party. She want call police for my 100 euro. So none of those my fast they don't come gather. Say papilo what you do. I call explain to them. One of the people blame me say, "What go add on somebody I like giving people benefit of that." So those women, my mommy for one of my big fans for UK, the UK she will come. Mommy Michelle Okudayi na pioneer for Edo diaspora party wise. And one other woman, one Lobo woman, she get body, she black. One Lobo woman, an MC2. She there for she speak Dutch where. She there for Amsterdam. Two of the people meet her, go talk to her. Say, no, I think people did an amazing job here. Like, give my money, they go. This man, you don't deserve all this kind of embarrassment.
Power tap and share, guys.
You must say no, give me. Say no, give my balance. What I do you? Me and you quarrel. You don't like me, then you hire me. I don't work well. But you don't feel. I wish everybody go did that whole. They dance that day. I do the court 3 tables, 4 tables at once. Skinny that was there. People were there. They know the kind of work I do that day. So she said she don't give me my balance. So those women say no, Papilo. We cannot. Nobody can embarrass you in our presence. Those were fans. They say nobody can embarrass you because of money in our presence. The two of them come enter Samoto. They come go bring my balance for me. Mommy Michelle Okudayi and that Lobo woman. When we did Amsterdam, she fast. Now she come go give me my balance 100 euro. The embarrassment, the insult, and everything where I received there that day. I bet I'm not talk. I do bad. It get anywhere from wrong. Okay, if
they ask you not, it do bad.
No, not do bad. Because now, if now, what you promise, you go give her the balance.
You go give her a balance. Okay, why not?
Oh, but not the party. No, I beg. She not do her well. Or me, she not do her well. But we don't know the name see. I will pass you, pass for Furi. I heard that by a man, all the year I can hit the see. I'm always say sharp for that.
One way MC Papilo na very easy person. We are regularly problem. Wonder ekeni na iladia. If you jogging me na ladia because
last year
2011.
Oh no, Papilo don't do ladia. She have ladia now. Emma very honey. How are you very party? You must need to. You have disgrace Emma.
Egbe wa ku me o. Onyo se me na ka mama no ga ta ba wi o ma mi go be pa. O wa mi go asepini no sikire ni. O se ya mo o se ya demi no bu. She try for that party where she try but she still get the money. People spray her where people try. I said now do good men and women that come there o. Imebe la jena when you was here ni wa ewe. Mete wa ewe ne understand. But me ipege ya we ma bebe we video no there. If we bo ya kenike if your pa e me soro some of our black people they like to talk behind your back. Because everybody that was outside who was going out from that party, everybody was angry. Say, we go junior ladies, we go bam, we be. Let this woman give people make they go. See the way they treat people, you know? People was just angry. Mona listen finish.
We shall sing this song. People don't demand for this song. Because again, people take demand for the song, you know singer. You're glad say you got to do shakara with the song. People like this song. And most people when they carry me for party, they always tell me, say, Papilo,
you go play
that song. That means they pay you this kind of money because that song you see and that do. Many shows will never go, even for Nigeria. People don't tell me, say, Papilo, you must sing your song. I will tell my musician, say, may give you 10 minutes later, sing your song. Papilo, you must sing your song. Papilo, you must sing your song. And that is great. Among within the people, they like me. Making me people, among within they make people, they hire me. Because my songs and everything, because the way they sing for party and everything. So I said, I will talk this thing for public space. Till today, he appeared in the talk, she's not coming, she's not giving me the money. Now that person come pay me the balance. I beg if you get anywhere for rough for here, make una fit talk.
She not pay, oh.
Listen, Ajebo, when you are, who come over? No, Ajebo, Ajebo party like party we say, no say.
And Ajebo na live video presenter, oh. And live video presenter na be, oh. Una see any problem? Una see say they talk about that party. You see, una hear anything? Now, yeah, mama try we for the party. I don't know what I want to talk about. At the end, I know you know what you call your apple. Not be say the party present too much for no only just that Hollandis. Me, I don't go party where they for share like 3 or 4 things as present, even 5. They don't stress us, they can't give us. Where we even go meet her. The door, they don't already close the, they don't have the music. They don't say more will come out. Then make we go meet and make give us present say we want come out. I will say party still they go, we go understand. Say maybe party never finish. You know what, or you want make some people go fair before Sharon. That one I can understand. Not be when party don't close.
Okay.
If they want one, I don't even understand it. If they want my beg any.
Okay, I beg it. Who am I supposed to do?
Ìgbéyàwó àwòrán o. Màyá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Màyá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o. Oge MC na no wa do una imeje to ime o. Olona iwa gweme gbese wuwe. We ne party ni wa galaxy se. E party ni wa galaxy se. Say they give you eternity concerning a party.
If money for party, I know. You are Ikuyena. Ajebo party. Let me now just forget about that one. Ajebo party was. I did a party try to say not stressful like this party. Because Ajebo is an organized person. But this one, everybody was on my neck. I won't carry anything for DJ. DJ say Papilo. Ubantene. Misha say Papilo. Babu say DJ. This one say Papilo. Why you call DJ? DJ say Papilo. Dancing Misha no one stop. You don't stop Misha. Misha say you don't stop DJ. Celebrate say no na Papilo come. I go climb up. This one will never come and meet you. You never come and meet you. Which I wanted that. My no. See, if you are not professional, you run bad.
It was.
If you are not a professional MC, you run mad. I'm telling you.
Am I here paying money
all the time? At the anchor show, I anchor show for a living. Before people will carry money from Denmark, from Austria, from Germany, from Spain, say, come work for me. I know I'm a professional. I know I'm trying. After the show, they'll still come and say, Papilo, the account you want, I want to ask you something. You are too good. People for that will collect my account number. This 4 or 5. Not saying I got their Papilo, but because the way they see say I anchor that show. People will collect my complimentary card, no carry me for show for next year, for Denver, for Holland. All of the collect my number, Papilo, you are too much. If I don't get people will hire me to this, to today. Nobody don't owe me before. What did I do, Rose? What did I do you?
Enough is enough.
Before this man can't they talk like this, my people. Well, you be €100. Well, you be €100.
I don't take care of what I do with MC. What do you do? Okay, but you go party wa gba se, we no wa stand you party, so all they do money.
Egbe wa wo mi. I don't know if you don't know me, you me do go an, me na we do tell na we me say. But na me na we do go but mama me no sha no but bat as bat. When we not say me na we do go my sister because you are the Germany me am we na get good. When we need na my respect and worry there. That is what she's supposed to do for us back. You understand? When I beg a women and I be me over the mommy, me over without the phone to me. Give me over where you phone it to me. Because where you know where you are, where so no we are umakwe, my like, you know where tamame. So, oh my. When we might drive back, we are not staying in Holland. We are driving back to Germany. Oh, my mum, where am you born there, my sister? Eh? Already my when I wear mama my moo. Oh, mama, maybe when they thought I'm mamma, now with mama, oh, Umana Tieme, measure, brandy me here, start to show me him. Me, Umana Tieme, Wagege, Wayamu, Mama. Yeah, away daughter he, Wagege Yamu. When they left with me, they say, we may have a big mommy, no one love him a video, never billionaire. Yeah, why, me, now with mama, me, join you. Now we met one mama. Now we know what she now. Ya wa respect you because someone of you cool baby. Eh, I want to know you one name. Now you do one now. Oh, the next shout you know. Good one, woman. €100. Now wow. Brother. I want to ask your way. Una come go the fight. We not fight on our ship. We want break our hand before I give us our tribute. Now ship we want break our hand before she give us our tribute. But you not break our hand the time when they buy the tribute. The time when they buy our food, they change dollar come spray. Not break our hand that time. Yeah, just comment and there be the problem. You have best thing. I will comment us now. What is the beyond one now? Just insult my big mommy. I don't feel insult. I'm not going to my video. But I just tell her waiting. I don't feel insult my big mommy now. Good afternoon, Susan Pastor. I see you, my sister. I see you. And then no. Emani boy here na last later let's see papilo now. Yeah, la last where shall party no be go have go Aisha. The party try well. You be that.
They got money, yes. Mama told that day. It's a person way they do the Asha would do your husband. It says more better that.
This one your entire my life, just they gossip people for them.
We use your payment party, your husband they collect money and you go they follow you go they collect money. It better pass and you go they thief. Nobody go ask you.
Oh, come.
Nobody go. When just say the thing don't go say.
They don't more that for everybody more to me. I don't remove her. You the gossip. Oh, while I do what gossip, we hear mind. So, Mama, this party was. So anyway, not easy. I'm not easy, my sister. I'm not easy. So. Now one of the biggest. So I'm so happy about it. I understand. You know you respect me. I respect you because you know gay.
Gossip.
Gossip.
Record the platform away because the record ni a dominion on where you Facebook. Okay, you have a grace ya go. Only na ata na getting a webo, you collect over on ata woman no webo, no collect go do mama sama no yara, ima no yara ni agwaka. I did dominion Google be ma ve o Google na ate ne gbe ima the person. Why get me the record because the record on the platform a dominion very year record. Very yeah. Yes, that's just the truth.
I don't know what that for you. I love your cable me boy.
You know, we are let the person who might go so be a one on a way they will not back. For you to then now there and what if we very nice. You know, you are talent, you know, maybe to feel better. Dominion said the record of La Gave now about that way. Yeah, no social media like a walla. We were like video don't pay the water.
Only you may not do yo. You may now analyze, okay, you buy your style, more than now. Well, Maria party, no there. Abio, one of the best party in Mejo, all true, I should be.
Yeah, very nice.
All true, I should be. It was very nice.
Yes.
It was very nice.
Money did that party.
Money did that party. And a big women, I call that party. We got go, different gold. Salobua. E go to gas, so money na water for that party. Money na water. You know why you are tired, you're wagging your way. But on my boo, only my sister. Una lwe goji unwena, me no lwe godo kamugwena. Ni me muye obe ni vyo yuru goji ga no. So when na lwe goji. Oga aro but on my boo, my sister.
Okay.
Ibege so ga aro shawasha ima wero but e godo bu se na na bete bata na. Mary gojo kwanu ya mo shawa yuru gwe goji no yo my sister yo. Make your jewelry sina. I make even good but you hear godo.
Yes. Not be lie.
The one we are no more taba.
Area ni wa unagelege say ni bunwa ye good but ni ne so we raw good plated yellow.
Yeah.
Good. But the majority of people did that for that area a good yo.
A good no, yeah, good.
Mama concerning Germany na ikuni bunwa he. What is the cause the reason?
Mege ame waiting here o no ge o. Ige. E change topic we do one attorney next time we turn it.
Okay,
next time the topic of game mom ya desa go we patch oge mamure na. Egbe wa ho me. Mommy kinki. Egbe wa ho me o. If we me ni e beta self, e be remember ko no re Germany no ge ah. Because we go ya wa. Egbe wa ho me. Okay.
Mama we wear shower Betty ko wa
okay. Okay, what for ya? Ebe ya eso no, eya. Eya. Emi wo neje. Any ya no ye bia analyze video ni because he show we take grace yo. Oh oni pe ona ye fake account o ya more ni dami.
For him, ya wa be do tayo we ya se. Ya mo bolele man no re brime gwe kiri alele gwe because ara we ragele gbode na temata. Ma ya fe ma ba o ko ni magele dege no we media system. Ore ya we anything o kin ma ya bo ya de we wa fin ya.
Yes.
For me, my money may blame, so I can may blame for that.
Social media, what do you expect?
Ekwoni very abe what could the get yo? What could get yo? Ya gwe no ko ya get that ya. You no ko ya get that ya ya me imagine ya to stay. Me agwe the woman agwe kakabo ya we gwa ke gwi ne me ya gwi re nya yo pa.
Mama, on repent your banner your a Satan now aladia.
Mama JJ no Mommy King. You know.
Okay, the voice in your head was in town.
So come mama. Okay, let's see you God forbid. We can me ya go man agree to the man we hear.
Mama,
Every toast of us or so to stay. Or so at least we are respected or can wait. Ebony, thank you. Mona, give me gift to Not be only ebony day here. Mona pawata mona give me gift wala. Wala do wa me anything wa contribute yoge mommy adesa gboni. Da millionaire party no uni wa contribute yoni. Mommy ki gugu age ye.
Nanu wata record yakare.
Ni de gbe pe enu da mi ye di record ya.
Okay, mama.
Ni pe enu da mi yo. Okay, George. Mona power tap wa power tap di ya audio. Video na negwa we you talk kana one naira mi ego. State of mind, my mommy. Good evening, mommy. Oya wa power tap ni ya audio. Egbe ya kia mi. Ni ya ye nene party egbe ya ye kia mi ni ya gbe o gbe be kini.
Oya we ma wagaro to kwa bi ma we to create video I don't know.
Ima okay then power tap but one give to talk power tap.
Yeah, they say people if they up not supposed to do power tap na those it.
Mona power tap oh. Good evening, mommy. Good evening. Mona power tap. The people where they watch Mona power tap then. Can you please play it? You don't ever contribute to this channel. You don't give me 1 naira one day. The people will not they support you, power tap, give you gift. Now only that gift. Let me wait till they get for you. Now that they command you, play it, go again.
Play and play. If they play, so they play and people go they join. Now they don't talk, so you know they play. Now why don't want to learn? Now figure it my wallet no matter.
Mona power tap.
Then mutane o mama o. Like no day away party. Record why fall at no mama. Nene the first movie of it always be
Oh, what hour before 2011? Ola de gbe do we. Ola de gbe do we MC Papilo no. Okawe ola de gbe do we. Make a plan okay. Mona listen. Mona power tap.
My followers across the globe. Good morning, depends on where you are watching this my video from. I mean, my brother, MC Papilo International. My good morning. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all
for your
support, for your love,
tap and give me gift.
The way you people are patronizing, supporting, embracing me anywhere I go. In fact, at times, only no one will just sit down the road and say, God, don't be say I to sing. Don't be say I'm too popular. But what to make people they like me like this? I dey imagine even yesterday, only more I just sit down.
They imagine me too.
I just imagine tears won't even come off from my eyes. Say God, when I started watch the video where I go show the way people they come out, they support me. Well, the reason why I come out this morning, one thing I want to talk so I want to make una talk put. Anywhere where I want, make una not cover for me because I want to be public servant. As a public figure, and they carry me for party and they support me. So if I see wrong, I don't hesitate to correct me because they say no man is an island. And the person with if I make mistake, I will correct me and they accept no way. And I like correction. I like correction because I not be God. I be human being like every other person. I feel make mistake too where I don't know. Don't still correct me so that I'll stay down and learn tomorrow. So that the mistake where I make today, I don't go make out tomorrow. So nobody's above mistake.
I know say that I know we get difficult time. In that way,
or if you know me, you can correct me. You can correct me. It's not because of 80 years you correct good man or 49 or 50 or 97. You understand? So if I make mistake or if I wrong for this matter, I want to say, Mona still correct me. So that tomorrow I'll take a lane. I mean, want to this matter to public space. The party where I go on Saturday for Den Haag, Princess Adesagon party. So when that woman contacted me, she called me. Meanwhile, she first carried me for party 2011. This thing will happen to still after 2011. I will tell her the reason why it make can happen again. So we can't agree on price. She can't ask me, say, yeah, we shall go carry and all that. That's what they address her, how the party will want to go. So she can't send advance for me. So she called me 100 euros for her hand. So a week too before I become, I don't like to tell her, okay, give me the balance. Maybe the balance of the you make it bigger for me. She can say, if I reach party, she will give me. What you make me ask for that balance Because 2011, I can't do MC for her. After the party, the remain 100 euros, she not gonna give me the balance. I draw that balance, draw. She not give me, I can't rest, can't leave the balance. That was 2011 or 2010. Yeah, 2011. She don't give me balance. A lot of people, my friends, all of them know that time. All my friends who did together, all of them know. As far even my sister, the chair, almost all of them know that money that time. She don't give me. They got me saying I don't leave her, I forget. I can't leave her. So now that don't come into the share, she just give me my balance. Don't say we can't finish party. We can't see party, we can't finish. She don't give me balance. So I thought that she give me balance. She can't say no. She know if I this party, she will not say. I can't go. I don't want me to take that time. Still happen. No. She say yeah. You know better never the day. I'm going to don't pass. You will carry. Because that time don't pass now. He go give me. If party finish, he will give me balance. I say okay. That's why I can't already come that party 2 o'clock. I don't use that.